So now we are going to see the third sum. Solve the following equations by the rank method. X plus y plus z equal to 9. 2x plus 5y plus 7 z equal to 52. Then 2x minus y minus z equal to minus 6. Okay, so for this one, first of all, I am just writing the given equations are. Okay, you just write on the solution. Write on the solution the given equations. The given equations are, you just write it, x plus y plus z equal to 9, then 2x plus 5y plus 7 z equal to 52. Then what you write, 2x minus y minus z equal to minus 6. Okay, you're just writing the given equation. Now I am just going to write the matrices. Now I am going to write the in the matrices form. Okay, the matrices form of given equation. Okay, the matrices form of given equation is 1 1 1, then 2 5 7, then 2 minus 1 minus 1, then x y z equal to then 9 52 minus 6. Okay, so this is the given equation in the matrices form. I have just split it and write it. So how I am writing? X before coefficient is 1, y before coefficient is 1, x before z before coefficient is 1, 2 before coefficient is x before 2 coefficient is 2, y before coefficient is 5, z before coefficient is 7. So likewise I am just writing everything, and this side I am just taking and writing the constant terms. Now I am just writing as argument matrices. The argument matrix A comma B. Then here I am just writing as elementary transformation. Okay, I am just writing like this. Next, I am just what I am doing here. I am just writing the given matrices 2 5 7 52. Then what I am writing, 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 6 I am writing. So given matrix I have just written. Next, what you have to do, make this number as the 0. So for that one, what I have to do it, just you write it 1 1 1 9. Then I am just writing here R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. Okay, so this is the condition I am writing. Okay, for that one, so the first number is 0 you will be getting. Next, you just see 5 minus 2 into 1. So 5 minus 2, what is the answer you will be getting? 3 you will be getting. Then 7 minus 2 into 1. So what is the answer you will be getting? 5. Okay, next is 52 minus 2 into 9. So 52 minus what is the answer you will be getting? 2 into 9 is 18. Okay, what is the answer you will be getting? 52 minus 18 is 34. Okay, here also same wise. Next you just write it 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 6. Next, again what I have to make this number as 0. So 1 1 1 9, then 0 3 5 3 4. Next, for making this number 0, what I am doing, R3 implies R3 minus 3R1. So this becomes 0. Then what this happened, minus 1, then 3 into 1. So what is the answer? Minus 4. Then minus 1, then 3 into 1. Again what you will be getting the answer as what? That is 2 into R1. Okay, here 2 into R1. So minus 1, then what is answer? Minus 2 into 1 is what is the answer you will be getting? Minus 3. Here also what is the answer you will be getting here? Minus 24. So this one also minus 3 you will be getting. So next what you will be getting here? That implies, okay, next what you have to make it as, these two numbers you have to make it as 0. So 1 1 1 9, Then what is answer? 0, 3, 5, 3, 4, then 0, 0, then what is answer? 2, 10. So that implies R3 implies then R3 plus R2. So both the things if you add means what is answer you will be getting? You will be getting the 0. Okay, so this is the number you have to get the 0. So plus 3 minus 3 is 0. Then 5 minus 3 is 2. Then 34 minus 24 is what is answer? 10 you will be getting. So this is how you have to do it for getting the echelon form. So afterwards what you have to do? Therefore the rank of A is what is answer you will be getting? Rank of A is 3. Okay, up to this is rank of A is 3. And rank of then what you have to write? Then rank of A comma B equal to 3. That is equal to number of, that is equal to what is that? Number of unknowns. Okay, what is that now? Unknowns 1, 2, 3 is there. Okay, so that what we are writing. Next what you have to do it? Next you have to find out the so value of x, y and z. Now you just split and write it up. So to find the solution, let us rewrite the above echelon form. Okay, so now I am going to write as 1, 1, 1, then 0, 3, 5, then 0, 0, 2, then x, y, z, then that is equal to 9, 34, 10. Then what you have to write? X plus y plus z equal to 9. Then 3y plus 5z equal to 34. Then 2z equal to what is answer? 10. Okay, so let this be equation 1, then 2, then 3. Okay, so from 3 I am going to find out that 2z equal to 10. Then z equal to 10 by 2. So that implies what is answer you will be getting? Z equal to 5 you are getting. Okay, so after getting the z, I am going to substitute in the equation 2. Okay, so substitute z equal to 5 in equation 2. So equation 2 in the sense 3y plus 5z equal to 34. So 3y plus 5 into 5 equal to 34. So 3y plus 25 is equal to 34. Then 3y equal to 34 minus 25. So 34 minus 25, what is the answer you will be getting? 9 you will be getting. Then 3y. Then y is equal to 9 by 3. Then y, that implies y is equal to what is the answer? 3 you will be getting. After getting this z and y value, what we have to do? Substitute in equation 1. Okay. So substitute in equation 1. Now substitute y is equal to 3, z equal to 5 in equation 1. So x plus y plus z equal to 9. So now you just substitute x plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 9. Then x plus 8 equal to 9. Then x equal to 9 minus 8. Then x equal to what is answer? X equal to 1 you will be getting. Okay, so lastly you have find out the x equal to 1. Therefore the solution set is, the solution set is what? 1, 3, 5. So that's all you have to do it.